Hello, everyone. Good evening. I'm doing it almost after 2 weeks due to some other, work. I wasn't able to come online. We'll do the quickly analysis on Nifty. Okay. I have noted down a couple of very important points that I would like to discuss with you all. We have seen a very volatile and very aggressive moves in Nifty today, plus in Bank Nifty as well. So what is happening in the markets, and where exactly is Nifty, and what is it is developing on charts? What is the trend? So we'll go one by one on each point and try to cover as much as we can in this analysis. So first of all, I would like to bring your notice to the trend which is prevailing at the moment in Nifty, and which, if you can see, that it is making lower low and lower highs, right? So it is kind of making or it may have started making a downtrend. However, it is not completely in a downtrend, because we have our major support at this level. So we know that when the market is in an uptrend, it makes higher highs and higher lows like this. So this was the the last higher low it made, which is still intact. So technically we are not in a downtrend. So that's the first thing that we should keep in mind. So just it has made this last high here. This is the second lower high. This was the low, and this is the new low. And so once this low got broken down, it means that this is first lower high and lower low in this entire uptrend. So this means that something is changing in Nifty, and it is maybe changing its course, not in an uptrend anymore. For sure, it is in a sideways market. However, if you look at today's price action, it is quite aggressive in my opinion. Buyers have taken the low of the previous two bars, right? And they have moved the prices all the way back to at this resistance area, which was a support area earlier, but now acting as a resistance. And if you can see, the most critical point is that this bar here, this bottoming tail bar, has taken more than 50% of this green day. So that suggests that in this downtrend, in this fresh started downtrend, something is happening on these levels, which is around 18,200 to 18,300. It's like that buyers are again trying to take their positions, their fresh positions, and they may be trying to take the ground from the sellers. But this is the time that we need to be very careful, because new uptrend is not forming, new higher highs and higher lows are not forming, right? Prices have recently broken down its first lower low, and now buyers are again stepping up. And most importantly, prices are trading between these two moving averages, which are 20 and 50. So we are in a kind of sideways market. So based on a day, we need to take decisions. So it could be a selling day on one day, and it could be a buying day on the other day. So this is the market that we need to be very vigilant and we need to be very careful of. Now another point is that on the weekly time frame, we have this very strong topping tail bar. Now we have completed this measured move. We have this selling week here. We have this another selling week here. Now we are 2 days into this week, and prices are still within the range of this topping tail, the body of this candle. So that shows that kind of prices have slowing down the momentum, and this topping tail might show some power going forward from here. If we look at the 60-minute time frame, we are in a clear downtrend. We are making lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. This was one attempt where prices have tried to clear all this resistance here, but these fresh lower highs here. But then again, a very sharp selling came in, and prices have moved back up. I'm sorry, they moved back down. So on the daily time frame, we have a neutral to bearish stance at this moment, and I have shorted 18,550 and 18,750 call spread here, and most probably they should give some profit, because I don't think that prices will clear those levels, and tomorrow or day after in this expiry. Now just quickly look at what is happening on the 15-minute chart, because based on 15-minute we can take our scalping trades. So it looks like a very clear stage 4 decline, which is kind of stabilizing around these levels, and it has come back all the way up here. Now if tomorrow prices gap up, clears this resistance area, and if they dip down and then again move, so our strategy would be to buy the dips, or as and when we get the first sign of positive momentum, we will go and buy the calls for our scalp trades. So in 15-minute, I want the prices to at least clear these resistance area. Let me just clear this up. So this is around the upper band of this resistance area is around 18,430. So I believe that prices would definitely clear this up. And once this resistance got clear, we do not have any strong resistance to the left, and we have a very clear void. And I believe that prices would definitely, clear this up and move to the upside. And based on that, we will buy our calls on the 2-minute time frame. So let me just quickly show you the 2-minute as well. So this is the 2-minute time frame, and we can see that prices have very, decently made the higher highs and higher lows, and now they have reached here. So probably they will, gap up, come down, because this is the intraday rally that we have seen here. And after such rallies, prices do tend to pull back, consolidate, and then they again start their momentum to the upside. So our objective here is, our analysis says that let the prices clear this resistance, pull back, and give us the entry, and then we will go and buy the market. Let's quickly see what is happening on the Nifty futures chart. So completely buy day, right? We have seen the Nifty daily chart. So it has some body here, but if you look at the Nifty futures, it has even come here. So that shows that Nifty futures has telling us that price buyers are very aggressive, and we have seen this buying day on volume. However, the open interest looks little moving down here. So that suggests that maybe the strength, the kind of strength that we are expecting is not there, but definitely there is a buying on volume on Nifty. If you look at what is happening on the other markets, so Dow Jones is positive, S&P 500 is positive. Their futures are also positive at the moment. SGX Nifty is kind of flat, 32 points positive. So that all suggests that prices may show some kind of bullish momentum tomorrow. So this is the Nifty. This is the PCR value of Nifty. And if you remember the last analysis that I have done, it has reached here. And this was 1st of December, when the PCR has reached to this value where it moved down when it reached earlier. And this is the same place where it has reached and this is around 1.45 location, the 1.45 PCR, which suggests that the put value has increased a lot, the put side increased a lot, and when it reached to this area, it pulled back. Now this is the 1st of December. This is the 1st of December, right? And if we go back and look at Nifty, this is the 1st of December bar. So PCR is, has already given us, before, I mean, kind of early indication that a pullback is, due. It's there on the cards, and it will definitely come, because when it reached to the same levels before, it moved down. The selling came in, and that's what has happened this time as well. So, anyone who reads the put call value, know that prices are, or the market is going to go down after this move here. This is the 1st of December candle here. So PCR is clearly has told us that Nifty will definitely pull down, and that is what has happened in the market. So if we read, these kind of data, we will get some kind of idea that where exactly a market can move, right? So it is not just based on the charts, not just based on the the futures or the open interest or the option chain, but it's a complete set of data that we analyze to get a clear picture of the markets. Now, looking at the option chain, we can see that we clearly have a very high open interest at 18,300, and on the call side, we have a very clear, open interest on 18,600 here, and some bit of open interest on the 18,500. And the market is around 18,385, so it is clearly around, it is near to 18,300 level, which means that prices are near to its support area, right? Let me just quickly. So prices are near to the the support area, because on the put side, 18,300 has a lot of open interest, and then we have at 18,500. However, on the chart, we do not have any resistance on 18,500. We have the clear or the first line on the sand around 18,600. And we have a high open interest on 18,600. So that suggests that once prices will start moving up, it may have some kind of rejection or resistance, at 18,550 level, because we have our 20 MA here as well. But we will get a very clear resistance around 18,600. Now that also depends on how prices will come here. If prices will try to come here at one or two sessions, then we will definitely come down. If prices will consolidate, the prices will spend more time around this area and then give a breakout, that would be a very strong breakout, and it will definitely clear this 18,600 level as well. So that's all in this analysis. Hope you have learned, hope you have enjoyed the session. Please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe to the channel, please like this video and share it with others. And if you have any questions, always, as always I say, do comment in the comment box below. So till then, catch you in the next session. Take care. Good night. Bye-bye.